أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نعم، تقسيم الفعل. Classification of verb. Classification of verb. للفعل عدة تقاسيم. للفعل verb as عدة تقاسيم. Different classification, various classification. That is, verb can be classified into various categories, into various classifications. So منها تقسيمه من حيث منها, from its classification, تقسيمه, the classification من حيث, looking at it from the aspect. So from the aspect of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we also have in English language, we have different classifications of verb, like transitive and intransitive, passive and active, helping verbs, linking verbs, and things like that. So in Arabic also we have different classifications. So now we are looking at the classifications from different angle. That is, we are looking at the verb from different classifications. Now from the aspect of, from the classification of Zaman, that is the first classification of verb, we are looking at it from Zaman, that is from the classification of tense, that is time. So that is the first classification. We are still going to expatiate on these classifications, inshallah. So this is the first one. So the second one here might not be the second one elsewhere. So we have different classifications, and it might be more than this. You can see it in another place, like you can see 3 in another place. Maybe you are reading another book or you are making your own research, and you can find more than these 5. And it might not be arranged like this. So just know we have different classifications. So here in my own, I have Zaman from the tense aspects as one, that is looking at verb from its tense aspect. So this is the first classification. So the second classification is looking at verb from the angle of asiha, strongness of the verb, while illa, and its weakness. Whether the verb is a strong verb or the verb is a weak verb. So this is another classification. So another classification also is at-tajarrud, min haythu at-tajarrud, looking at it from its roots. Whether the verb, the verb letters are roots, or we have increments in the verb letters. That is from its rootness. That is whether the verb letters are roots to the verb. Whether the verb letters are root to the verb was ziyada, or the verb letters have an increment. It has an increment, whether with one letter or 2 or 3. So this is third classification. So the fourth classification is haythu tadiya, looking at it from the angle, from the aspect of atadiya, transitivity, wal luzum, and intransitivity. So tadiya means transitivity, and luzum means intransitivity. So there is what we call all this. When we look at it, when we get to the fourth extreme, that is the fourth classification, inshallah, we'll expatiate more on this, inshallah. So, and the last on this classification here now is zikru fa'ilihi wa adamu zikrihi, looking at the verb from its active and passive angle. That is, we have passive verb and active verb. So some verb are zikru, in some verb nadhkuru fa'ilahu, I'll use fa'iluhu, its fa'il is mentioned. Like some verb now, we can see the fa'il there, the subject there clearly. We mention the fa'il. Zikru fa'ilihi. By mentioning the verb whose fa'il is mentioned, zikru fa'ilihi. The verb whose fa'il is mentioned, wa adamu zikrihi, and the verb whose fa'il is not mentioned, that is the object, the subject rather. The verb whose subject is not mentioned. So these are the classifications we are looking at. So when you are sound in these classifications, it will be very easy for you to differentiate when you see them, that this mutaaddi verb, this is a lazim verb. You can even say this is a passive verb, and this is a sahih verb, this is mu'tal, that is, this is a weak verb, this is a strong one. So this is present tense verb, this is imperative. So you can differentiate verb, you can differentiate one from another when you are very sound in this topic. Just make sure you are serious about it. Inshallah, we are starting with الزمن. الزمن تقسيم الفعل من حيث الزمن. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.